Welcome back to Future Automation channel. In today's video, you are going to see about data scientist Simply Learn course, which many of you asked me. So, data scientist Simply Learn course. So, in Simply Learn is an organization like it's an institution where they are actually having lots of courses related to data science and business analytics, AI and machine learning, and also for all the other cloud computing, DevOps, and big data. So, as you are seeing in the video, this program is a master program for data scientists, and there is also a data analyst master program which is available in the Simply Learn. So, it's a world's #1 boot camp from Simply Learn, and it's a master program. Whoever who have an aspiration to become a data scientist can enroll for this program because it has capstone and 15 plus real-time projects and exclusive hackathon and live interaction with IBM leadership people. So, and also they are having a Simply Learn job assistant. So the course price is 50,000 yearly, and there is also EMI option available. So the learning path, as you are seeing in the video, first they will start with data science with R programming, and then with Python, then with machine learning, like Tableau, Hadoop, Big Data, Hadoop, and Spark, then data science capstone project. At last, there are lots of elective subjects also in that, like SQL, art programming for data science, and industry master classes for data science also. So you can download the syllabus by clicking. You have to register with your name and mobile number in order to get the syllabus. And after that, the tools which they are covering this particular course, the data scientist master course, is NumPy, Pandas, Spark, Scientific Python, Apache HBase, and Hadoop, Python, R programming, Scala, etc. So it's a best program to be for. So people who wants to become a data scientist can definitely enroll for this program. So if you want to know more about this program, you have to download the syllabus by giving your phone number and email, so that you can also it's a flexible online class. So you can, if you want any timing according to your need, you can choose that and you can enroll for it. This is the top #1 master program for data scientist in Simply Learn. And there are other courses also, like post PGP, that is postgraduate program in data science, in collaboration with Purdue University. So people who do not want to go abroad, but they want to do a abroad certification, like abroad university certification, can go with this Purdue University. Or there are lots of 100 plus San Diego, John Hopkins. There are 100 plus university, abroad university certifications in EDX where you can go for that also. So this Simply Learn provides a Purdue University PGP, that is postgraduate program in data science course. So it's a #1 data science program. Like it's ranked the #1 in Economic Times also. So this is in collaboration with this PGP program is in collaboration with Purdue University. So and also in collaboration with IBM. So the duration of this course is 12 months, that is 1 year, and 5 to 10 hours per week. So, and there are only limited seats for this online boot camp, and it's also in an online format. And this PGP program will definitely give you a key concept and tools from Python, R, machine learning, and so on, and also with lots and lots of capstone project and hands-on labs. So if you want to watch the preview also, there is a link in that particular program also. You can go and click that link in order to know more about it. So the why you would want to choose PGP? So Purdue PGP is like they are having exclusive hackathon, and you can ask anything. Ask Me Anything sessions by IBM is also conducted. Apart from this, there are capstone projects from 3 domains and 25 plus projects from Amazon, Uber, Comcast Industries, etc. And apart from this, there are 200 plus hours of live online classes by industry experts. Apart from this, you can also have they are providing Simply Learn providing a job assistant, so that you will be noticed by top hiring companies. So PGP is also you can receive a Purdue upon the completion of this PGP program. You will receive a joint Purdue Simply Learn certification, and you can also become entitled to membership in the Purdue University Alumni Association. So this program is also in collaboration with IBM Cloud Light account, and Apart from this, there are three important things that you have to notice on Simplilearn job assistant program. Number 1, resume assistant and career mentoring. Number 2, interview preparation and career fair. Number 3, IIM Jobs Pro membership for 6 months. So the learning path will be also similar to that data scientist program, that is R programming for data science with R, data Python for data science with Python, machine learning, NLP, Tableau learning, data science capstone projects. Electives will be academic masterclass from Purdue University. So the main skills covered in this particular program is EDA, that is exploratory data analysis, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, model building, supervised and unsupervised learning, NLP. And main projects, industry projects which they are covering in this particular PGP program is fare prediction for Uber, and then test bench time reduction for Mercedes-Benz project. Number 3 is Amazon project, product rating prediction. And number 4 is demand forecasting for Walmart. Number 5 is improving customer experience for Comcast. These are all the projects, top industries projects they are covering. And apart from this, all the other details are also there in that description box below. So you can just in the description box you have to just click that link and go through the program if you want to enroll. Not only for data science, and there are also lots of certifications for cyber security, DevOps, cloud computing, big data, etc. So the admission fee for this PGP Purdue University is 2,15,000 including GST. And if you want to schedule call and if you want to talk to admission counselors, you can just click the link below. There will be a schedule call option. So if you are going to give your number, they will call you back. You can ask whatever the doubt you are having before enrolling for this course. So according to Simplilearn, in data science and analytics field, there is a master program in data scientist and data analyst. Apart from this, there are universities program like Purdue University PGP in data science. Apart from this, there is a popular course like data science with R programming, data science with Python programming with less amount of cost for single program like Python or R. It is costing 21,000 for self-learning online boot. So if you want to bootcamp, so if you want to also enroll for that 21,000, you can go for it also. So if you are going to explore the whole Simplilearn.com website, you can able to know what I am trying to say. So these two websites link will be given in my description box below, so that you can check and you can enroll for it and make use of the opportunity. So even though it's costly, it's worth to enroll for it, because it is covering lots of high industry like Amazon, Uber, top industry projects and capstone projects. Apart from this, they are also providing job assistant. So I think I already enrolled for IntelliPack, so that's the reason why I haven't enroll for this. But people who are going to enroll for this can go with IntelliPact or Simplilearn. So Simplilearn, I have just posted the video on Simplilearn. IntelliPact I am currently learning, so I am planning to, after completing my course, I am planning to share my experience. So that's what is all about today's video. So hope this video will be helpful for people who are trying to becoming a data scientist but confused with certifications. So many people asked me what certification I can do for data science. So I would suggest IntelliPact, Simplilearn and EDX courses as of now, since it's in 2021. These are all the three top institutions. They are providing top courses with best quality. So people who want to enroll for a best course in data science, they can definitely opt for Simplilearn or for IntelliPact. So thank you so much for all your support. Keep subscribing.